Being broke is a situation many people find themselves in, and it's not always easy to figure out why. Imagine waking up one day and you realize your wallet is as empty as your morning coffee cup. It's a tough spot to be in, but understanding why it happens is the first step to turning things around. So, what does it mean to be broke? Simply put, it's when you don't have enough money to cover your needs and wants. You're not alone if you've ever wondered, why am I always broke? This video is here to shed some light on the common reasons why many folks find themselves in this financial tight spot. We all go through life learning various things, but one area that's often left out is money. It's like entering a game without knowing the rules. Many of us didn't get a good education on how to handle our finances, and that lack of knowledge can lead to some money troubles. But it's not just about what we know, it's also about what we do with our money. Ever felt the urge to buy something the moment you see it? Or maybe you don't really keep track of where your money goes each month. These habits, along with a few others, can play a big role in why your pockets feel lighter than you'd like them to be. In this video, we're going to explore 10 simple and common reasons why a lot of people end up broke. Reason number 1, they don't have a budget. One of the most basic and essential steps to managing your money is having a budget. A budget is a plan that shows you how much money you earn, how much money you spend, and how much money you save or invest. A budget helps you track your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut costs or increase income. A budget also helps you set and achieve your financial goals, such as paying off debt, saving for emergencies, or buying a house. Without a budget, you're basically flying blind, and you have no idea where your money is going or how much you have left. That's why having a budget is the first reason why most people are broke. Another common reason why most people are broke is that they live beyond their means. This means that they spend more money than they earn, and they rely on credit cards, loans, or other forms of debt to fund their lifestyle. Living beyond your means is a surefire way to get into debt, and debt is one of the biggest enemies of your financial freedom. Debt not only eats up your income with interest and fees, but it also limits your choices and opportunities in life. Living beyond your means is also a sign of poor financial literacy, as it shows that you don't understand the difference between needs and wants, or between assets and liabilities. The third reason why most people are broke is that they don't save or invest their money. Saving and investing are two of the most powerful ways to grow wealth and secure your future. Saving means putting aside a portion of your income for emergencies, goals, or opportunities. Saving helps you avoid debt, cope with unexpected expenses, and take advantage of opportunities that may arise. Investing means putting your money to work for you by buying assets that generate income or appreciate in value over time. Investing helps you beat inflation, create passive income, and achieve financial independence. Without saving or investing, you are missing out on the magic of compound interest, and you are leaving your money idle and losing its value. The fourth reason why most people are broke is that they don't have multiple streams of income. Having multiple streams of income means having more than one source of money coming in, such as a salary, a side hustle, a business, a rental property, or a dividend. Having multiple streams of income is a great way to diversify your income, increase your cash flow, and reduce your risk. Having multiple streams of income also gives you more options and flexibility in life, as you are not dependent on a single source of income that may be unstable, unreliable, or insufficient. Without multiple streams of income, you are putting all your eggs in one basket, and you are vulnerable to losing your income or having it reduced. The fifth reason why most people are broke is that they don't have financial education. Financial education is the knowledge and skills that enable you to make informed and effective decisions about your money. Financial education covers topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, debt, taxes, insurance, retirement, and more. Financial education is crucial for your financial success, as it helps you understand how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it work for you. Without financial education, you are likely to make poor financial choices, fall prey to scams or frauds, or miss out on opportunities that could improve your financial situation. The sixth reason why most people are broke is that they don't have financial goals. Financial goals are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound objectives that you set for your money. Financial goals help you focus your efforts, motivate your actions, and measure your progress. Financial goals also help you align your money with your values, priorities, and dreams. Without financial goals, you are aimless, directionless, and purposeless. You don't have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, why you want to achieve it, or how you are going to achieve it. You are also more likely to waste your money on things that don't matter or that don't bring you happiness. The seventh reason why most people are broke is that they don't have financial habits. Financial habits are the routines, behaviors, and actions that you do regularly and automatically to manage your money. Financial habits include things such as tracking your income and expenses, paying yourself first, paying your bills on time, reviewing your budget, checking your bank statements, and so on. Financial habits are important for your financial success, as they help you stay on top of your finances, avoid mistakes, and achieve your goals. Without financial habits, you are inconsistent, disorganized, and careless. You don't have a system or a structure to manage your money, and you are more likely to make errors, miss deadlines, or overlook opportunities. The eighth reason why most people are broke is that they don't have financial mentors. Financial mentors are people who have achieved financial success and who can guide, advise, and inspire you to do the same. Financial mentors can be your parents, relatives, friends, teachers, coaches, authors, speakers, or anyone else who has the experience, knowledge, and wisdom that you need. Financial mentors can help you learn from their mistakes, avoid their pitfalls, and emulate their strategies. Financial mentors can also provide you with feedback, support, and accountability. Without financial mentors, you are alone, isolated, and uninformed. You don't have anyone to look up to learn from, or to lean on. You are also more likely to repeat the same mistakes, or to give up when you face challenges. The ninth reason why most people are broke is that they don't have financial mindset. Financial mindset is the attitude, belief, and perspective that you have about money. Financial mindset influences how you think, feel, and act about money. Financial mindset can be positive or negative, abundant or scarce, growth or fixed, and so on. Financial mindset is crucial for your financial success as it determines your potential, your possibilities, and your performance. Without financial mindset, you are limited, restricted, and constrained. You don't believe in yourself, in your abilities, or in your opportunities. You are also more likely to have negative emotions, such as fear, stress, or envy, that can sabotage your financial success. The 10th and final reason why most people are broke is that they don't take action. Taking action means doing something, anything, that moves you closer to your financial goals. Taking action can be as simple as opening a savings account, reading a book, or watching a video. Taking action can also be as complex as starting a business, buying a property, or creating a portfolio. Taking action is essential for your financial success, as it is the only way to turn your ideas, plans, and dreams into reality. Without taking action, you are passive, inactive, and stagnant. You don't make any progress, you don't make any changes, and you don't make any difference. You are also more likely to procrastinate, hesitate, or rationalize that can prevent you from taking action. Hope you found this video valuable. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this.